I'm going to go ahead and harvest the potatoes in this grow bag. I don't really know what to expect. I harvested the ones in the other grow bag, and it was a very small harvest. Kind of embarrassing it was so small. I'm not even going to post a video on that because I don't want to waste your time. But we'll see what happens here. I've got lots of foliage to cut away before I can take a look at what's in there, but we'll see how it goes. This was actually much better than I expected. Got a couple of decent sized ones. And then some of these are just average size, but overall, considering how bad the other grow bag was, I'm happy with this. Then we had a couple that were just starting to form, looks like, and then we had a couple that had already started to rot. So I'm not sure, maybe overwatering. But here's a look at what just came out of the dirt, and I'm going to wash these off and we'll take a closer look at them and see what they look like cleaned up. While I was washing these off, I got to thinking about the difference between this grow bag and the other grow bag, and two things came to mind. On the other grow bag, I planted more seed potatoes, so I'm wondering if they were overcrowded. And also I got my seed potatoes for the other grow bag from a different place, a different company, so I'm wondering if that didn't have a little bit to do with it. But some of these have just a little bit of that scab stuff. I think they call it scab. But I read somewhere where if you lower your pH, it will help with that. And that's what I tried to do this year. I added a little bit of peat moss, tried to get the pH down a little bit. Of course, if you add too much in a container, that peat moss can really hold the water, and you can kind of get some waterlogged soil. But I think I got close to a good balance on this one, but I'm still learning. Never had room for potatoes for a lot of years because I had such a small area, and now that I've got a little bit more room, and with the addition of the grow bags, I'm able to grow a few, and I'm kind of enjoying learning about them. Some of these I would say are pretty nice for me. Maybe not the best ones in the world, but I think I'll take them. This big one here is not the prettiest by any means, but I think we're gonna make a nice meal out of them, or two. Just wanted to show you what they look like after they're cleaned up. I got a couple they got some bad spots, and I'm thinking I probably waited too long to harvest. I had some of the vines had died back, and some were still growing. That's why I waited longer. But like with everything else, I'll take what I've learned this year and apply it to next year. And if you're just now finding this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Otherwise, like, comment, and share. We'll see you next time.